I wanted to read about the benefits of studying the Bible, but I think today we're not going to do them because we need an interviewer. We need to interview someone. It is written, I'll bring the full scaps again. It is written, we interview a resource person, a pastor or a priest or a chaplain. So I was thinking I talk with the chaplain, and then we interview him. We are supposed to prepare questions, and I told him to prepare. Read out the questions.
Okay. The ones that I've written is number 1. What is Bible study?
Yes.
So, and number 2, what is the importance of studying the Bible referring to the scriptures?
Yes.
So far those are the questions that have been able to write.
Yes. Any other person that has a question, so that we write all the questions down, so that when I tell him to come, yes, we'll just be reading out the questions, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you have any other question? You know, when we are supposed to interview a resource person, can everyone concentrate here? There's someone who's knocking their pen. You see? Can you concentrate? Because we need to formulate the questions. We interview a resource person or a chaplain on the benefits of studying Holy Bible, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You prepare questions to ask in advance. We ask him or her a relevant question during the interview. Examine the benefits of studying the Holy Bible and write key points in your exercise book. So mainly it's about the benefits of studying C.R.E. Studying the Bible, sorry. Yes?
Yes.
Number 1, you are going to ask him what his name is. His full name, right?
Yes.
We're supposed to ask his name, what he does. You know, it's an interview.
Yes.
It's an interview. Before we even ask his name, we are going to invite him, right?
Yes.
After invite him, we tell him first, thank you for coming. What's your name? Yes. You've written as the first one.
Pardon?
What's your name? What's your career? Yes. What he does, basically, right?
Yes.
And then we can also ask him, do you love your career, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we should. We should. Then we also ask, have you read the whole Bible? Have you read the whole Bible? We must ask, right? You don't want to know what else do you want to concerning the Bible, because what you're going to ask him is benefits of studying the Holy Bible. So here we're asking him whether he's read the whole Bible. If he tells us he's read the whole Bible, when did you start reading the Bible? When did you start? How do you read it? How do you read it? And then we also ask him, how do you remember what you've read? How do you remember what you've read? And then you also ask him how he applies it to the daily life, right? You're supposed to read the Bible and then you apply it to your daily life, right? How does he apply it to the daily life? So that now we go to, if he applies to the daily life, yes, then we ask him what are the challenges of studying the challenges that he's seen. When yes, his experience or other people is seen. Challenges of reading the Bible. Reading and understanding the Bible. The challenges of reading and understanding the Bible. And then lastly, we ask the benefits, right? We ask him the benefits of reading the Bible. Any other questions that you want to add to? You can raise up your hand and you tell us, yes?
Okay. We can ask, what are some of the personal benefits that you have encountered?
Yes, personal benefits. That's good, yes?
How was the Bible inspired him as a preacher?
That's so amazing. How was it benefited? Huh? Inspired him. How has the Bible inspired him? So we'll ask him when he's free, we do that. That's all. Anyone else who wants to add something? Can you stop looking at the people that are going to the... It's not etiquette. When they're going to the toilet, you're looking at them. Really? What do you want to see? That's not good etiquette. Have you, in English, have you reached the area of etiquette?
Yes.
Yes, is that etiquette, really? Because all of you are looking, you will make me look at that side, and I'm a woman, and it's wrong.
Yes.
You're not supposed to see your son, right? Yes, because they're all grown. Now, after now, we interview the chaplain. That's when we are going to read the benefits of studying the Bible, right?
Yes.
But prior to that, now today we are going to read Matthew chapter 13. Open your Bibles.